Tagalog Kwaku Koni Lila Vaye. Today we're going to learn about our right and our left and new way in. Before you cross the road, make sure to look to your right and left. Fahi Hema left. Fahi Matao right. Fahi Hema left. Fahi Matao right. Fahi Hema left. Fahi Matao right. Hui Hema left leg. Hui Matao right leg. Hui Hema left leg. Hui Matao right leg. Thank you for listening. Remember your left and right in new way. Fahi Hema left. Fahi Matao right. Fakulahi Koi Kia.